Crypto Jimbo is here today, and we're talking today about a crypto project that has been near and dear to my heart for many years now. And this is, of course, BioFi. BioFi is my second biggest holding apart from Bitcoin. And what I love about it is that it is crypto that's actually doing something. So much crypto is just promising some kind of returns, and you're not even sure where the returns are coming from. BioFi is actually doing things. And one of the things they're doing is selling an actual blockchain phone. So this is the Phoenix X phone. I've done many videos. I'll put some links to the videos below on the phone itself. But this is a phone that you actually receive rewards just for owning the phone. So you'll get crypto rewards just for owning this phone. And they've launched in Africa. And one of their missions is to kind of help the African economy. You know, a lot of times in some of these African countries, South Africa is where they started. But hey, pay $1,700 for a new iPhone. That's just out of reach for a lot of people. So they're wanting to provide a lower cost phone that educates about crypto and it provides rewards just from owning it. And then they've made this phone even more accessible to people with a pay over time. Pay over time for the phone. This is a really clever way of doing this. It's actually pretty cool. But when you buy the phone, you can pay in full. You can pay with crypto. You can buy, with a credit card like a normal phone. But if you don't have the money for the phone up front, you can actually break it down into 3 to 6 month payments with no interest, no late fees. But if you stop paying for the phone kind of soft locks and it's kind of unusable until you make payments, until you catch back up. So, in the U.S., this isn't as valuable. In the U.S., we have credit all over the place. You can go get a credit card and buy a phone on a credit card, although there'll be high interest. In Africa, it doesn't work that way. Bank credit can be tough to get. So the phone itself kind of becomes the collateral in this, pay-as-you-go way to own one of these blockchain phones. So if the cost to make the phone is $200 and retail, they're selling it, $250. You can break that up into 6 months, maybe it's about $42 a month, $41 a month. If you stop making payment, your phone soft locks. I think this is a really clever way of doing it. I mean, there's still risk involved. If enough people, still kind of default on these payments for their phones, soft locking it is kind of a good solution, but it's not like you get that collateral back. So they're still going to have to do, there's some logistical work that's going to have to go into this. But I think it's a great way just to get this phone into as many hands as possible. So, and this is very excited as a BioFi holder just to see the company still doing, and this, they're doing big things. I was over in South Africa with the company talking with officials. So, they know what they're doing and they're looking to do big things that will all come together to support the BioFi token. So if you're wanting to get involved, one easy way, the BioFi token is a good way just to get exposure to the whole, ecosystem. If you're wanting to invest in the phone itself, this is not available to invest in the U.S. The U.S. has quite a bit stricter, more stringent securities and just different documentation that goes into investing. So this is not available in the U.S. yet, but stay tuned. If you're outside of the U.S., I put a link to the prospectus. They are looking for investors to kind of help bring this to life and just expand it as quickly as possible. You can be successful without investors. It just takes longer. And in some of these things, the faster you can get things moving, the better chance of success you have. So buy the BioFi token. You can get it at MEXC. You can swap for it on Uniswap. I'll leave a link if you want to invest, become an investor in the phone and this, kind of pay as you go model. And if you're in Africa, you can get your phone now. Again, even if you don't think you have the finances for it, with this new model and see if that will work for you. So a big shout out to the BioFi team. They are good friends. They love the Lord. I pray with the CEO pretty much every week. And, just what a blessing. I pray with the team over in Africa every week. Huge blessing. But I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe. If you like crypto, AI, side hustles, Christian content, I don't know, what else do I do? If you like James Pelton, like and subscribe. God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day.